The UK Skilled Worker Visa is a visa that allows you to come to the UK and work for an approved company. To apply for a skilled worker visa, you will need to follow a few key steps. Firstly, you will need to check that you meet the eligibility criteria for the visa. You can find this information on the UK government's visa information website. You will need to check that you have a job offer from a UK employer that holds a valid sponsor license. Once you have confirmed that you are eligible to apply, you will need to apply for your visa online. You can do this through the UK government's visa application website. You will need to fill in all the required information accurately and submit your application with the required supporting documents. These documents may include your passport, a certificate of sponsorship from your employer, evidence of your knowledge of the English language, and evidence of your finances. Once you have submitted your application, you will need to pay the relevant application fee and the immigration health surcharge. After your application has been submitted, you may need to attend a biometric appointment to provide your fingerprints and a photograph. You will be informed of the date, time, and location of your biometric appointment. Once your application has been processed, you will be informed of the decision on your application. If your application is successful, you will be issued with a visa that will allow you to live and work in the UK. Congratulations! You are now ready to start your new job and begin your life in the UK. How we can help? CGM App is an end-to-end immigration app, designed to make the immigration and global mobility process more seamless and compliant, specifically for expats, sponsoring companies, and immigration consultants globally. Visit cgmpartners.org.uk/register for more information.